Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you woodworking hand tools. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. If you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share this video. Thank you. Dear viewers, the art and trade of cutting, working and joining timber requires skill, precision and great tools. Attached to your belt or on the workbench, a carpenter's arsenal of tools is always within reach. It's important to invest in quality tools that you can rely on. Plus, they will last longer and are safer and easier to use. Here are some of hand tools for carpenters. First of all, the claw hammer. The hammer has forever been a carpenter's signature tool. Nowadays, the claw hammer is more popular. It can strike a nail squarely with the round flat face and remove nails easily using the claw on the back. On the second number, tape measure. Like the hammer, you will rely heavily on a tape measure. Good carpenters will always check and recheck their measurements as they go. The best tape measure is durable, easy to read, and has a good lock and retract mechanism that does not jam. On the third number, nail puller. When it comes to pulling stubborn nails, sometimes a hammer just does not cut it, and there's nothing more frustrating. This simple tool lets you pull nails from wood and other materials with utter ease. Wood chisel sheet. Goodwood chisel can shave rough surfaces, cut out corners, and scrape off glue. It's practically impossible to deliver high quality carpentry without them. Circular saw. A good circular saw allows you to carry out straight angled and miter cuts accurately. It will also cut through beams, timber, and panel with ease.